Hello all you naturophiles, we're here at Blackheath and I'm currently at Govetts Leap lookout. We're going to do the Braeside walk today, so I'm going to head back that away from the lookout and walk my butt all the way back here for your entertainment. So, as always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, and let's get going. So, we've just walked up from Govetts Leap lookout and behind me is the Blackheath Visitor Centre. Great place to stop for information on the local area and any other sites worth visiting. Go ask them, they'll be able to tell you about it. If you're catching a bus from the train station, this is probably where they'll drop you off. Although, if you're trying to save money and you're a tourist, the walk down this way isn't too bad either. Anyways, let's continue. So we're finally here at the start of the Braeside Fire Trail, which connects to the Braeside Walking Track. It was about a 2-kilometer walk from Govetts Leap lookout, or a much shorter walk from the train station if you're coming up here as a tourist or someone who just likes catching public transport. If you've watched my videos before, you would know that I've tried to do this once before and it was closed due to track maintenance. Anyways, let's finally check it out together. Let's go. Check out all these wattles. So here we are at the start of the Braeside Walking Track. Just came off of the fire trail and we're going to head down that way. Apparently we have about a 20-minute walk to the Bridal Veil Falls and Barrow Lookout. So let's go. So here we find ourselves at the juncture where the Braeside Walking Track meets along with the Clifftop Walking Track. So if you head that way, it goes to Evans Lookout, and if you head that way, it goes to Govetts Leap. You would have seen that on a previous video, which I will link up there, or over there, somewhere. Anyways, we'll continue back on to Govetts Leap. There's a lookout just up that way as well if you want to check it out and you haven't seen it before, but we're going to go that way. So we've come to the most painful section of this walk, and it's the walk back up to Govetts Leap. Enjoy. You may remember this bench from a previous video. I'm not going to sit here this time, as lovely as it is. We're going to continue on. So here we are back at Govetts Leap Lookout, the reward for having walked the Braeside Walking Track. Although some may say the walk was the reward in itself. Unless you parked your car here, of course, then the reward is getting back to your car. It was a fairly easy walk, as you could see, that meanders along the creek and then leads you to this view. Bring your kids if you like, as it's fairly easy, although the last section may force you to carry them depending on how capable they are. That's your decision. Anyways, if you're going to come up here by train, you might want to do it as a loop along Popes Glen out towards Govetts Leap and then back along Braeside. You get to avoid Govetts Leap Road. Despite how nice it is with the fancy houses that litter it, I think the loop walk is far more attractive, especially if you're limited on time and want to see as much of Australia as possible. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and I'll take care of you. See you on the next one, you nature pals. Bye.